It's your girl Ro in the building, and I'm here to welcome you to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make some Easter eggs Rice Krispie treats in all these different colors. So if you're ready to get started, let's go. So here are the ingredients that I'm going to be using in this video. It's not much at all. It's super simple, super fun. So let's get started. Starting off with some Pam spray. You want to spray your bowl in a nice medium to large size bowl. Spray it completely and then apply your mini marshmallows. Now you can't use the large ones, but you're going to add in your 3 tablespoons of softened butter and then throw it in a microwave for a minute or until it fluffs and be super soft and melted. Now I'm going to use some powdered food coloring. You can use any food coloring of your choice, as long as it's a gel food coloring. And I'm adding a pinch of this Sunshine Master Elite color, and you just mix it in. All right, mix it in until it starts to combine a little bit. And now you add in your flavor. Now I'm using some cookie nip. I added in 1.5 teaspoons of cookie nip, and now we're gonna add our Rice Krispies. You want to mix and fold it in until it has completely come together. It's gonna take a few folds, so don't worry, don't panic. Make sure you spray your hands because you do not want it to stick. It will get real sticky. So spray your hands to make sure you are able to move around the Rice Krispies treats without them sticking to your hands. Now we're gonna bring in our Easter eggs. So spray your eggs. You can spray them all individually, or you can lay them out on your tray and then spray them down on the inside before you apply in your Rice Krispies. This will help form the eggs, and once you have your Rice Krispies, just go ahead and measure them out until the egg is completely filled, and then seal it up and place it back into your tray. Now when creating multiple colors, you want to do them in separate batches. I'm using the same recipe for each batch: 3 cups of Rice Krispies, 3 cups of mini marshmallows, and 3 tablespoons of salted butter and 1.5 teaspoons of cookie nip. Now I'm adding in the violet of the Master Elite colors to this mix and just add in a pinch and just mix it up, and then add in your Rice Krispies. Make sure you fold until your color has blended in all over your Rice Krispies, and then apply to your eggshells. Now, if you don't have the flavor cookie nip, you can also substitute it for vanilla, but the cookie nip is the bomb. So I'll make sure I leave the link in the description box below. So the eggshells will help form your eggs if you're not comfortable with forming the eggs yourself. These just make them nice and a perfect form. When you create this recipe for each batch, you want to make sure your butter and your marshmallows are completely melted. You want to melt the mixture for about 1 minute or two. The butter is completely melted and your marshmallows have fluffed up. Then you can add in your color and then your Rice Krispies, and once you combine them all together, then you can apply them to your eggshells. These will make about 16 to 20 eggs. If you're using the smaller size, if you're using the larger eggs, it's going to make roughly between 16 to 18 eggs. Now, once you have finished making your desired colors, it's time to refrigerate them for 1 hour. Remove them from the refrigerator and then remove each egg from its shell, and you can place them in a bowl or on a tray. Now, these colors are so vibrant. I love this color. And I also love the yellow. I love them all. But they're fun to make, super easy. And once you have done this, you can put them in a nice container, which I'm going to show you in the next clip. But if you store your Rice Krispy treats in a container, they will last for about 3 to 4 days. Keep them in an airtight container, and then you can place them on the counter. They don't need to be refrigerated, but the best is left to be cooled at room temperature so they can remain gooey and delicious. So here are these beautiful, vibrant Easter egg Rice Krispy treats. I can't wait to create another design with these, so stay tuned. But here is the packaging that I mentioned. These I found on Amazon. They are amazing, but they're only for the smaller eggs. So these will only fit the small eggs. I will leave another alternative packaging in the description box below, so make sure you check them out. But you just place them right into the container and then close them shut. They have closures on both sides and 2 in the front. And you can easily put your logo label right on top or a bow, and these will be great to package in your Easter basket. So I hope you all enjoy this creation as much as I did, and stay tuned for more.